Welcome to Nature's Touch. Elevate your home with organic wood furniture. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and eco-conscious living, organic wood furniture stands out as a beautiful and responsible choice for home decor. This guide will explore the myriad benefits of integrating organic wood into your living spaces, from its stunning aesthetic appeal to its positive impact on health and the environment. By choosing organic wood furniture, you not only enhance your home's beauty, but also make a statement about your values and commitment to sustainability. We invite you to embark on a journey that celebrates the natural elegance of organic wood furniture. This guide is designed for homeowners, decorators, and anyone passionate about creating a harmonious living space that reflects both style and sustainability. Through insightful tips and inspiring ideas, you'll discover how organic wood can transform your home into a sanctuary of comfort and beauty. Join us as we delve into the rich world of organic wood furniture and explore how it can elevate your home while nurturing the planet. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you're already part of our community, please consider liking and sharing this video to help us reach more people who are passionate about sustainable living and organic wood furniture. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even more valuable content for you. Organic wood furniture is increasingly recognized for its blend of sustainability and craftsmanship. As the demand for eco-friendly products rises, consumers are turning to organic options that do not compromise on aesthetics. These pieces are often made from responsibly sourced materials, reflecting a growing awareness of environmental issues and a desire for products that contribute positively to our world. The aesthetic appeal, the natural beauty of organic wood furniture cannot be overstated. Each piece is unique, showcasing the distinct grains and textures of the wood. This intrinsic beauty adds warmth and character to any room, making it a perfect choice for creating inviting spaces. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse look or sleek, modern designs, organic wood can seamlessly fit into various decor styles, enhancing the overall ambience of your home. Health benefits of organic materials. Health-conscious consumers are increasingly aware of the benefits of organic materials in their homes. Unlike traditional furniture, which may contain harmful chemicals or synthetic finishes, organic wood is often treated with natural oils and finishes. This results in a healthier indoor environment, reducing exposure to toxic substances while promoting better air quality. Choosing organic wood furniture is not just a design choice. It's a step towards a healthier lifestyle. The role of local artisans. Many organic wood furniture pieces are crafted by local artisans who emphasize quality and craftsmanship. Supporting these artisans not only helps sustain local economies, but also fosters a sense of community. Each handcrafted piece often carries a unique story, reflecting the culture and traditions of the region. This personal touch adds value to the furniture, making it more than just a functional item, but a cherished part of your home. Sustainable sourcing practices. The environmental implications of furniture production are significant. Organic wood furniture typically comes from sustainably managed forests, adhering to practices that prevent deforestation and promote ecosystem health. These forests are often certified by organizations that ensure responsible forestry practices. By choosing such furniture, consumers support sustainable sourcing, helping to preserve wildlife habitats and combat climate change. Marketing organic wood furniture. For businesses, effectively marketing organic wood furniture requires a clear understanding of the target audience. Highlighting benefits such as sustainability, unique design, and health advantages can resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Utilizing platforms like social media to showcase products and share customer testimonials enhances visibility. Collaborating with influencers who advocate for sustainable living can further amplify brand reach and attract a loyal customer base. Creating a brand identity. Establishing a strong brand identity around organic wood furniture is essential for differentiation in a competitive market. Companies can emphasize their commitment to sustainability through storytelling, showcasing their sourcing practices, and highlighting the artisans behind each piece. A cohesive brand message that aligns with eco-friendly values can foster customer loyalty and attract a community of like-minded individuals who prioritize ethical consumerism. The importance of transparency. Transparency in production and sourcing is vital for building trust with consumers. Brands that are open about their processes, from tree harvesting to final product finishing, can reassure customers that their purchases align with their values. Providing detailed information on certifications, materials used, and the environmental impact of their products can enhance credibility and encourage informed purchasing decisions. Innovation in design. Innovation in design plays a crucial role in the appeal of organic wood furniture. Designers are exploring new forms, finishes, and combinations with other materials to create contemporary pieces that captivate modern consumers. This fusion of traditional craftsmanship with innovative aesthetics not only attracts a diverse customer base, but also keeps the market dynamic and responsive to changing trends. The growing market demand. The market for organic wood furniture is witnessing significant growth as more consumers seek sustainable living options. This trend presents opportunities for both new entrants and established brands to expand their offerings. Companies that adapt to consumer preferences by including organic options are likely to see increased demand, positioning themselves favorably in an evolving marketplace that values sustainability. Environmental impact of furniture choices. The choices consumers make regarding furniture have far-reaching environmental implications. By selecting organic wood furniture, individuals contribute to reducing waste and promoting sustainable practices. Each purchase is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in, encouraging more companies to adopt eco-friendly methods and thereby fostering a culture of sustainability that can have a lasting impact on our planet. Educating consumers. Education is paramount in promoting the benefits of organic wood furniture. Businesses can host workshops, create informative content, and engage with their communities to raise awareness about the importance of sustainable materials. By empowering consumers with knowledge about the environmental and health benefits of their choices, companies can inspire more responsible purchasing behaviors and cultivate a more informed customer base. Integrating organic wood into home decor. Integrating organic wood furniture into home decor requires creativity and an understanding of design principles. Homeowners can mix and match various wood tones, textures, and styles to create visually appealing spaces. Whether it's using a large reclaimed wood dining table as a focal point or incorporating smaller wooden accents throughout the home, organic wood can enhance the overall design while adding a touch of nature indoors. The future of sustainable furniture. The future of furniture design is leaning increasingly towards sustainability. As technology advances, new eco-friendly materials and production methods are emerging. Organic wood furniture is likely to evolve as designers and manufacturers find innovative ways to reduce their environmental impact while meeting consumer demands for style and functionality. Staying ahead of these trends will be crucial for businesses aiming to remain competitive in the market. In conclusion, embracing organic wood furniture is not just an aesthetic choice. It is a commitment to sustainability, health, and quality craftsmanship. As consumers and businesses alike recognize the importance of making environmentally conscious decisions, the transition towards organic wood furniture becomes more significant. By choosing these products, individuals can transform their living spaces while contributing to a healthier planet, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching the video. We put a lot of time and effort into creating this content, and your support is incredibly valuable to us. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with others who might appreciate it as well. Your engagement helps us continue to produce high-quality videos that inspire and inform our community.